Hi guys, I am Shivani Saxena and welcome to my channel Less for Shivani, a one-stop destination for all your MBA needs. I am preparing a set of videos which will aid you in your placement preparation, and in this particular video I am going to answer a very important question. Why should we hire you? Now this question can manifest itself in various forms as a simple strength and weakness question, or as something as complex as what will your friends say about you, what will your parents say about you, what will your teacher say about you, or will your previous manager recommend you for this role. So the answer for this is going to be the same, just the way in which you frame and say it will differ.
Before that, if you want me to make more of such videos, then like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to never miss an update from me.
Now let's start the discussion. A few pointers to keep in mind when answering this question is that, firstly, this question doesn't mean that you are selected. So a lot of people have this misconception in their mind that if they're asked this question, they are selected, or if they are asked this question, they are definitely not selected. So this question has nothing to do with the selection. The panelist can ask you to see that how enthusiastic you are about the opening, how dedicated you are about the opening, and if you can pitch yourself well. Second thing, treat this as an elevator pitch for yourself. Treat this as a self-marketing activity which you have to do. So imagine that instead of the panelist asking you to sell this pen to me or sell this comb to a bald man, he is saying sell yourself to me. So treat this answer with sincerity and with self-belief. By self-belief, I mean that you should yourself first be convinced that there is no other person who will be able to satisfy the requirements of the role but you. When you have that self-belief in you and when you start speaking about yourself in the interview, that is reflected in the body language, that is reflected in the words you are using. So try to create that kind of vibe about yourself. Try to convince the interviewer कि तुम्हारे अलावा इस रोल को कोई और अच्छे से नहीं कर सकता है. Also, do not use maybes like I think I can do justice to the role, or I get the feeling that I can do justice to the role, or I guess I can be an asset for the organization. You have to be assertive. You have to say that if given the chance, I will prove an asset to the organization. Use stronger verbs like will, can, and not maybes, I guess, I believe, I feel. So all these choice of words also depict in a way your confidence level. So make sure you are sticking with the assertive words. Now we'll talk about the approach towards working for this answer. Firstly, let's say you're applying for the role of a marketing specialist. So I'm going to show you a demo of how you can go about the research. So the first thing that you should be doing to answer this is dissect the job description. By dissect, I mean, if need be, take a printout of that, get some pens, get some highlighters, underline the keywords, highlight the important skill sets required, and then start framing your answer. And this answer has to be different for each of the interviews, each of the roles. So there cannot be a one size fits all kind of thing. So talking about this specific role, let's see what are the keywords here. It says that you have to coordinate online campaigns. Online campaigns is the keyword here. You have to work with product marketing, sales, BDMs, and other stakeholders. That means it's a role which requires cross-functional knowledge. So if you're someone who has in the past worked with multiple teams, you can highlight that aspect of your journey here. Then it says that you have to contribute to social media marketing campaigns. So maybe you have done some internship in social media marketing, some college project. Talk about that. Highlight your learnings from it. Highlight how you can better implement whatever you have learned in the past and apply all that knowledge to this role. It says you need to have corporate communication experience or PR agency experience. So a lot of college events involve getting some sponsorships, interacting with PR agencies or newspapers or TV channels for coverage. if you were a part of a council which did all this, you can highlight that how you helped getting the particular task done for that council. It might be small, but a little experience is better than no experience. Who knows that whoever is going to come in the room next might not have done any of those things. Then it says that if you can easily work in a diverse and dynamic environment. So let's say if you're coming from a startup, you can obviously highlight that fact that there is nothing as dynamic as a startup's working environment. And how you were able to handle so many tasks at one single time and how you aced all of them. So everybody knows that someone who is coming from a startup can fit in any kind of role because they are used to handling pressure, they are used to managing their time better, they are used to handling multiple tasks at the same time. So if you are coming from a startup background, highlight that fact if you're applying for this particular role's interview. Let's say is that you are someone who enjoys organizing events. So college का या कुछ भी तुम्हें experience अगर है event organizing का, and it also says blogs, case studies, presentation जो सब करते हैं college में. So if it was anything about marketing, talk about that for this answer. Second thing, after you have analyzed the job description, now you have to pick and choose what kind of things you already possess from that JD, and this is the area where you have to focus on. So your answer will come from this match that you have found. Now I'll give you more examples how you can show that you are a fit for the company. Let's say if you have already been a brand manager and you are again applying for the position of a brand manager, तो इसमें कुछ प्रूव करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. You can talk about what your role was and how that is an exact match of what this role expects you to be. Second similarity could be industry related. So even though you are applying for a different kind of role, but you're from the same industry. So let's say I was a business analyst in the auto industry, and now I'm applying for the sales role in again auto industry. So I can tell about what I learned as a business analyst. Like being an analyst, you're always studying the market. You know the trends. You know the feel. You know the pulse of the market. You know what the customers want, and that is how you are able to bring all those learnings towards sales. An important aspect of which is knowing what the customers want. So in this way, you can try to create a link between the two experiences that you have and you are planning to have. Also, like I said, if you are from startup, you can highlight that how multitasking you are, how self-motivated you are, you can work without anyone's supervision, you like to take initiatives, you like to work within deadlines and things like that. Third similarity can be drawn based on the technical skills. So let's say I worked as an analyst, but I'm applying for the role of a product manager. In no way I knew any of the languages which are required to be known by a product manager, but I can say that an aspect of JD requires me to automate things. So I can highlight the fact that as an analyst, I also worked with the product team to get the new update on the app done after I found out a particular flaw in its version. So in this way, you can try to relate that, let's say one aspect of your job was in a way related to the kind of role you are now applying for. Similarly, if you know any computer languages, programming languages, you can always link those to the role that you are now going to apply for. Now the difficulty arises for freshers जिनके पास work experience नहीं है, तो वो कैसे relate करें कि वो इस role के लिए suitable है. So I'm going to give you like 4-5 ideas here. First thing, if you're applying for a marketing role and if you're a fresher, you can say that you are really active on a particular social media platform. Let's say you have a page there with so many followers or a YouTube channel with so many followers, and then you can create a link between content creation and marketing. You can say that how in marketing a very important aspect is content strategy making and how you already excel at it. So you can talk about how you do search engine optimization for your channel, how you work with keywords, how you work with paid ads if you have done any, how you are in a better way to understand the pulse of the audience, what they want to read, by creating very sticky content, and then they keep coming back to your blog for more content and such similar things. So, what I'm trying to say is nothing that you have done in your life cannot be related to a particular thing that you want to do. So, try to create that link. Similarly, if you're applying for the role of a consultant as a fresher, you can say that being not a part of the organization, of any organization, you bring a fresh perspective to the organization. You see things differently, and that is why your analytical abilities, your way to come up with solutions will be different from those who are already within the organization. And if possible, why not just have a look at the kind of cases the company deals with, and if you can just elaborate that. Let's say you take one case and then you discuss your viewpoints on it. If you are a fresher, then your fresh perspective is the best thing that you can offer, and a lot of organizations are vying for that fresh perspective. So just highlight that fact and do some homework if you can, ताकि you can assert that point in a better manner. If you are a fresher applying for a finance role, why not have a look at the annual financial reports of the company? Find out some areas which can be improved. Let's say if you have a better strategy for investment or handling debts, and you can discuss that, in my opinion, if this thing is done in this particular way, the overall profitability of the venture can be improved. I'm not saying that you have to be right, but if you're able to present an analysis of the financial report, and you can discuss that in the interview, that will really give you an edge. So you can try this thing out. Fourth thing which you can do is you can talk about some project that you did in your college, which is in a way related to the role you're applying for. So let's say you're applying for a role of a strategist. You can say that you've always had interest in business policy and strategy, and you did an internship with a professor, worked under him, assisted him in some research paper, and to explore your interest better. And that is why you feel that you can do justice to the role, because you already have an interest in it, you already have love for this field. So in this way, a link can be established. And lastly, if you do not have any link, I think the best thing that you can do is you can read the core values of the company by going on the website and highlighting that how you are in a way able to relate with those core values because they match with your own. So for example, if the company believes in equality, you can talk about some experience of yours with an NGO wherein you worked for equality, you fought for some rights and things like that. Or if company believes in innovation, you can highlight your startup experience, some venture you did with your friends, and in this way you can establish a link. And lastly, always end with enthusiasm. So this is like your elevator pitch. This is like you're saying ki as a product, buy me, you will be satisfied. So it has to end up with an enthusiastic statement from your side. If you are a working professional, you can say that whatever past experiences you have, whatever roles you have played in your past, all those are going to combine and result in synergy, and which will make you do justice to the role. Similarly, if you are a fresher, you can highlight your qualities like you are a fast learner, you are agile, you like to take up new things, and that is what will make you a valued member of the organization. So be assertive, be kind of enthusiastic. Close your answer in a way that the panelists will be like, "Tu Mumbai aayega," and you are selected. So even if you're not selected, at least you will be satisfied कि तुमने अपना pitch अच्छे से दिया. So try these things out while framing your answers. If you need any more help from me, you can write your answer in the comment section and I can help you polish that maybe. Also, if there are any other questions on which you want me to make a video on, do mention those in the comment section. At the end, I will say, if you find this video useful, then like this video and do subscribe to my channel. It will really give me motivation to make more videos. All the best for your interview, and I'm sure you're going to do well.